Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video we're going to install our assembled unit. I'm also going to attach the handle sets. The first step is to dry fit your assembled unit into the opening. Once dry fitted, apply sealant to the inside perimeter of your opening. For best practices, apply a second bead of sealant underneath the threshold. I'm now ready to set the assembled unit into the opening. Depending on your application, you might want to start off by installing through the Z-bar frame in the top right corner and check for square, level, true, and plumb. Then fasten the bottom left corner through the Z-bar frame and check for those basic measurements again. Using the shims at every fastener location will prevent the frame from coming out of adjustment and keeping those reveals even. Continue fastening the main frame into your opening, as well as making sure your frame stays square, level, true, and plumb. And don't forget to check the operation of the doors. When anchoring your threshold, follow best practices. First, drill through the pre-punched holes of the threshold and get all that wood or concrete dust out. Then, fill the cavity with sealant, and you can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and down through your threshold. Top off each head with a little bit of sealant. Before attaching our handle set, we need to secure the inactive door. The inactive door has a throw bolt that allows this pin to be caught in the header of the mainframe. We'll have to drill a hole in the header so the pin engages. I've now drilled the hole through the header. I can now secure my inactive door. I'm going to follow the same process for the threshold part of it now. Since my inactive door is now secured, I can add the handle sets. I have the one box that's going to be for the inactive door and the double box for the active door. I'm going to start with the inactive slab first. Here's my handle set for the slab. There's the exterior side and there's the interior side. I'm now going to attach the handle set for the active door. I'll begin by attaching the plunger to the slab and make sure you have the plunger facing the right direction. The final step is to add your deadbolt. The last step for installation is applying a bead of sealant to the exterior perimeter of your mainframe. To recap, I've now installed our assembled unit and added all the handle sets. In the next video, we're going to add all the check chains and snap the covers on.